Is walking really the best exercise? Walking might be one of the best exercises. Walking is one of the easiest ways to get yourself moving, and while the act is simple, walking is best cardio exercise. It works your large muscles over and over and pushes your lungs in here to work hard. It's low impact, simple, natural, accessible, and has many health benefits. By the end of this video, you will discover whether walking is really the best exercise. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you are updated with our upcoming videos of living a healthier and happy lifestyle. So, why walking is not only impressive for physical benefits, but also mental. 1. Live longer. Why? Walking briskly for up to 75 minutes each week adds 1.8 years to life expectancy, according to a 2012 study of 655,000 adults published in PLOS Medicine. Walking a little, even if it's less than the recommended amount, is still linked with a 26% lower risk of dying from any cause compared to never exercising, according to a 10-year study of 139,000 older adults published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine in 2017. So, start walking to live longer. 2. Mental health. Exercise is also very helpful in decreasing depressive symptoms. In an era where depression or suicide is the third leading cause of death among people aged from 15 to 44 years in various countries, WHO published that an estimated approximately 1 million people die annually from suicide. Walking is a known way of boosting your mood. Endorphins is the hormone in our body designed to lower the feeling of stress or pain and turns up the mood. Researchers have shown that walking in a good healthy environment can improve your mood and can help to fight depression by releasing endorphins. One study found that just 12 minutes of walking resulted in an increase in joviality, vigor, attentiveness and self-confidence versus the same time spent sitting. Do you enjoy walking in the park or hills? You might want to start walking among the trees with your family and friends because it offered bigger gains in feelings of comfort and relaxation, while decreasing senses of tension, depression, and fatigue. 3. Sleep better at night. Exposing your body to the sunlight and staying outside until it grows dark helps recalibrate the hormone melatonin to your new surroundings and time zone. People who indulge themselves daily for at least 20 to 30 minutes of walk tend to sleep 50 times faster. There are also other health benefits of walking that were shown in our previous video. If you have not, watch our previous video on why you should walk at least 30 minutes a day. Click the like button. Share this with your friends and loved ones so that they could also live a healthier lifestyle and benefit from walking daily. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification and see you in the next video.